How to block and unblock someone on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to block and unblock any account on TikTok. First, open TikTok on your Android device and go to the profile of the person you want to block. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of their profile. From there, tap on Block from the options. At this point, confirm by tapping Block again when prompted. That account will be immediately blocked and will no longer be able to interact with you. In the next step, if you want to unblock someone, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Following this, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Once done, tap on Privacy and then tap on Blocked Accounts. From here, find the account you want to unblock and tap on Unblock next to their name. Finally, once unblocked, that account will be able to view your profile and interact with your content again. And that's it. If this TikTok guide helped you block and unblock someone, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.